Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download Pokemon GO Spoofer for iOS and Android. So you get all the settings, you get joystick, you get a bar on the right side of the screen, you can see the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download, so let's get straight into the video. So it's pretty easy. Just go to zoomods.com, you're going to see a ton of modded apps on this site. Go to the search bar and type in Pokemon. Now you're going to see a couple things, but we're obviously interested in Pokemon GO Spoofer. So press on it and begin the download. So now the spoofer is downloading, and we just have to wait for it to finish, guys. This should be pretty fast, and this is super updated and everything, so you guys will really enjoy it, trust me. So basically, guys, before we can actually install the spoofer onto our device, we have to do a verification, which is very straightforward, guys. We just need to download some apps and complete the instructions. This is a one-time process. You will not have to do it again, and it is super cool. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. My internet sucks today, so we're just going to be waiting a moment, but I will show you guys how to do the verification step so we can install the Pokemon GO Spoofer onto our device. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up. I don't know why it's being so slow, bro. But it looks like the page is now loading. So here it is, Pokemon GO Spoofer mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install the Pokemon GO Spoofer. So as you can see, there's 4 apps here, and basically what we need to do is download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. They're all from the App Store, so you can see like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Color Block, same thing. WGT Golf, you got to reach level 10. So just press on the app you want to do, and it will bring you to the App Store. If my internet worked better, this would be quicker, but that's how you do it, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself, and see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting a working Pokemon GO Spoofer, because this is super awesome, guys, and it is totally updated for 2025. So yeah, this like fully works. So yeah, if you guys enjoy it, you will be very excited about this spoofer. I'm just gonna like refresh it and see if it brings me to the App Store this time. But yeah, it's just super crazy. So you guys can easily download the spoofer. Just complete that verification step, and you guys should be all set, guys. This is so insane. I mean, there's so many options in this spoofer. It is wild.